Okay, to adjust the headlights on the HHR, you need a socket wrench, 7/32 hex bit, one of these for the driver's side because it's a little harder to get in there, and your extensions. So the passenger one is in the front of the car. I'll show you. The adjustment for up and down, it's right back in there. It's the white circle there with the hex center. And then the driver's side, assuming your car has air, it's tucked way back in there. So you can see it right there. To know what you're going to do, best obviously to do the adjustments at night so you can see where your headlights are hit throwing. So on the passenger side, you just need a regular extension to get in there. For the driver's side, you just want to put this on the end of the adapter and use the long one. So these are the only three parts along with your ratchet that you're going to need for both sides. The HHR seems to be really simply designed. Case in point, the headlight assembly is only adjustable up and down, not left and right. You likely will not have to turn the ratchet very far to get the headlight to move into position. It's best to watch the wall to see where your headlight's throwing while you do that. That's all there is to it. Turn one way to go up and the other way to go down. Now, unfortunately, one thing with these HHR headlight assemblies is the plastic gearing there tends to get stripped rather easily. So if you find that when you're trying to adjust it, the headlight doesn't move, you're going to actually have to replace the entire headlight assembly. So that's how you can turn that one. Driver's side. It'll be obvious the nut is stripped and you'd have to replace the entire headlight assembly when you're turning it and you find that the headlight doesn't move at all. You can see that the right headlight is much too low. Left one is actually a little high. Driver's side. Passenger side, way down there. As always, thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.